Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be teaching you guys how to construct different necklines. So we are going first with round necklines. So this is a plain sheet of paper. I folded it into two. I've already drafted the armhole, so I'll go ahead now to construct our round neckline. So the wideness of the neckline should be 4 inches. From here now, we impute 4 inches. Then you come down by 5 inch. After that, you use your French curve to connect it like this. You connect this point to this point with your French curve. See the way I place my French curve. Then after that, you mark your shoulder slant. Our shoulder slant is 1 inch. So guys, this is round neck. I'll go ahead now and cut it out. See the way it is? This is round neckline. So from this round neckline, we are going to get our keyhole neckline. We have different types of keyhole neckline, but I'll be showing you the easiest part. So from this 5 inches, you know, from here we came down by 5 inches. From here now, I'll mark 2.5 inches. From here now, I'll come down by 2.5 inches and I'll mark. Then I'll use my marker to connect this using your free hand to this. Then I'll cut it out. This is our keyhole neckline. In this one, I'll be teaching you guys how to form a Queen Anne's neckline. How to form a Queen Anne's neckline. So it's as simple as A and B and C. So from here now, from this tip of this paper, you come down by 8 inches. Mark 8 inches. Then the neck wideness is 3 inches. You come to this 8 inches as well and mark 3 inches. Or let's do it 3.5. Let's mark it 3.5. Then you connect this point. You connect here to here, and you connect here to here using your ruler. You're forming a rectangle. And you connect this point to this point. So the next step now is to, from this point now, you go up by 2.5 inch. Go up by 2.5 inch. Then from this 2.5 inch, you come out by 1 inch. Then you are going to connect from here to here, then from here to this point using your curve ruler. So this is our Queen Anne's neckline. I'm going to cut it out. Then I'm going to impute our shoulder slope as well. 1 inch. So this is our Queen Anne's neckline. See the way it is, very beautiful. This tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to create a scoop neckline. A scoop neckline is like, let me say, a U neckline. So the wideness of the neck is 3 inches, 3.5. Then the length is 6 inches. The length of the neckline is 6 inches. Then I'll use my curve ruler. See the way I place it to form this U neckline. I see the way I placed it, so I'll connect the 2 points together. So this is a U neckline, a scoop neckline. So I'll form my shoulder slants, and I'll connect it like this. So I'll go ahead and cut it off right. So this is a U neckline, or should we say a round neckline? This is a U neckline. So from this U neckline, this scoop neckline, I'll be forming our horseshoe neckline. So from here now, I will come down by 2.5 inch. From here now, this 6 inches I marked before, I'll come down by 2.5 inch. Then I'll go out by 0.75. I'll go out from here now, I'll come out by 0.75. That is quarter. Then I'll connect here to here. Either you use your curve ruler if it permits you, or you use your free hand. I think I'll be using my free hand. So this is a horseshoe neckline. I'll go ahead now and cut it out. See the way it is, it's looking pretty. Our next tutorial is a halter neckline. So what to do now is to mark your neckline. For halter neckline, the neck wideness is 3 by 3. The wideness is 3, then the depth is 3 inches. So I'll come here now and I'll mark 3 inches. Then I'll come down by 3 inches. You know, it's normally high neck. That's the standard for halter neckline, 3 by 3. And you connect them together. Connect the points together. From here now, this armhole point, you come down by 6 inches. Then at this neckline here, this neck wideness, you mark 1 inch. You come out by 1 inch. Then you connect this point to this point using your curve ruler. So this is our halter neckline, looking very, very pretty. I'll go ahead and cut it out now. See the way a halter neckline is, looking very, very pretty. An asymmetric neckline. So in an asymmetric neckline, the wideness of the neck is 3.5. The wideness of the neckline is 3.5, while the depth is 7 inches, or let me make it 8 inches. Then at this 8 inches, you mark 3.5 as well to form a rectangle. So I'll connect the lines together. So the same thing that I marked here now, I'll flip this paper over and I'll mark the same thing. I'll come here now and I'll impute 3.5 and I'll come down by 8 inches and I'll mark 3.5 there as well. I'll connect the points together. The inches that I marked, I'll connect them together. So I'll flip it over like this, then I'll create my shoulder slope. 1 inch, and I'll connect them together. So I'll go ahead like this and open this up. So what we need to do next is to, in this asymmetric neckline, you need to choose where you want the slant to be. So I'll normally go for the right hand. So you're going to use your curve ruler, your French curve now, to connect this point to this point. Either you use your curve ruler or you use your free hand. So I'm going to connect this to this point here. So guys, I'm going to cut this off right now. So this is our asymmetric neckline. Let me go ahead and cut out the shoulder slope. This is it guys, this is our asymmetric neckline. See the way it's looking pretty. Next neckline is our V neckline. This one is very simple. Mark your wideness. The wideness of the neck should be 3.5. Then the depth of the neckline should be 8 inches or 8.5. Let me make it 8.5. Then you use your ruler to connect this point to this point. Then you create your shoulder slope. You connect the points together. Then you go ahead and cut it out. So this is it guys, this is V neckline, very simple. The next neckline is I call it a W neckline. Yes, a W neckline. So the wideness of the neckline is 4 inches. 4 inches, then the depth is 8 inches. Then you go ahead at this 8 inches, you come out by that 4 inches. Then you form a rectangle with it. Then from the center now, you go up by 3.5. You go up by 3.5. Then you use your curve ruler to connect this point to this point here. form your shoulder slants. I'll go ahead and cut it out right now. So this is our W neckline. This is our W neckline. So for this neckline now, I'll convert this neckline to be a square neck, a four corner neckline. I'll cut this point from here to here now. I'll cut it out. Right now, we now have a four corner neckline. This is a four corner neckline. The next neckline now is our yoke neckline. So the wideness of the neckline should be 3.5. Remember that this wideness is not a must. It's not standard. You can choose whatever wideness you want. This is just my own procedure. So I marked 3.5 from here now. Then I'll come down by 4 inches. I'll come down by 4 inches. Then I'll connect this together. Then I'll form my shoulder slants. Then the next step now, from here now you mark 5 inches. Or let me say 6 inches. Then from this tip of this paper now, you come down by 8.5. Then after coming down by 8.5, you connect here to here. So this is our yoke neckline. So I'll go ahead now and cut it out. So this is it, guys. This is a yoke neckline or illusion neckline. And this as well can be our off the shoulder. This can also create our off the shoulder neckline. We are going for off the shoulder. You can remove this off and it will be your bodice. You can generate it, yes. So this is our yoke. If you don't want your yoke, it will be off the shoulder. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to cut a different pattern of keyhole neckline. So the neckline wideness is 3.5, while the depth is 4.5. Or let me say 5 inches. Then I'll connect this point to this point. After that, I'll come down by 1.5 from this 5 inches I marked. I'll come down by 1.5. Then I'll mark 2.5 inch. Or let me see, I'll mark 2 inches. From this 1.5 I came down from, I'll mark 2 inches. Then I'll go out. From here now, I'll go out by 3.5, or let me say 4 inches. Let me go out by 5 inches. I'll go out by 5 inches at the center of this point to this point. Then I'll use my curve ruler to connect here to here, then here to here as well. Then I'll form a straight line as well. I'll form a straight line. Then I'll create my shoulder slants. I'll go ahead and cut it out right now. So this is the keyhole neckline. This is how the keyhole neckline will be. Here will be open like this. So when you spread it out, see the way it is. So see the way it is.